Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Fawal again. Today we are diving into one of the hottest topic in tech, AI in cybersecurity. With cyber threats growing more complex every day, we need all the help whatever we can get, right? And who's better to provide you help? It's your AI, artificial intelligence. But there is a question where all are thinking, how about could AI actually replace human jobs in cybersecurity? AI is incredible at detecting patterns, analyzing data, and even predicting potential threats. But does that mean human analysts are at risk? Think, think, guys. In this video, I am going to talk about AI in a cybersecurity and also going to tell you if AI going to replace human jobs in cybersecurity. So guys, please watch this video till the end and let me know in a comment how you found this video. Imagine having someone who don't sleep and always analyze data in massive volume. Sound pretty fascinating, right? So this is happening, guys, and it's happened using AI. One of the most important way AI helps in cybersecurity is with threat detection and prediction. I think you all guys with me, right? AI models analyze data from network, servers, endpoint devices, applications to spot unusual patterns that might signal a cyber attack. This means we are catching threats sooner, which can prevent a lot of damage. But it's not just about detecting threats. AI can also automate parts of the response process. AI can actually help with behavioral analytics. It learns what normal activity look like on a network, then flag anything which is unusual. So if some accounts behaving unusual, like logging from some strange location, AI can step in and allow. AI is fantastic, detecting patterns, automating routing tasks, and responding very quickly. But cybersecurity is very complex, guys. Let me remind you, you have to take very crucial decision when we talk about the cybersecurity. The decisions will come based on the analysis, based on your understanding, based on too many research, and based on emotions, based on what business require. Does everything get handled by the AI? Just think what we can do with the AI. Cybersecurity teams are often bombarded with alerts. AI can prioritize the biggest threats and in some cases responds to them automatically. This means teams can focus on the real threat instead of being overwhelmed by minor issues. And here are the really cool one. AI can actually help with behavioral analytics. It learns what normal activity look like on a network, then flag anything out of those ordinary things. So instead of spending time on repetitive tasks, cybersecurity experts like me or you, we can go into the bigger problems and help investigate them. We can design a proactive defense strategies and give AI to analyze all the monitoring and the alerting work. Expert who can work with the AI tools and understand their insights are going to be high demand, guys. So we have to work with the AI simultaneously. AI will continue to grow and we need to grow with the AI, and this is how the thing way forward. It's a question we all are thinking about. Could AI actually replace human jobs in cybersecurity? We know AI is incredible. He can predict data. He can do all analysis. He almost doing everything nowadays. So, are you excited or maybe nervous about the future? Let me know in a comment box, guys. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and stay alert, stay tuned for more deep videos. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and have a wonderful day.